let's do another trucking vlog. What do you think? We're in a Freightliner today. Short week. I'm so excited. Hey, we made it to store, and I need to hop on duty and get this done. This store was 156 miles from the DC. All right, this wants me to take 192.19. There she is. Let's see if it's empty. Okay, so the trailer that was supposed to be empty wasn't, but the other trailer was. So there's our drop trailer, then the one beside it there. And we got this sucker. We got an old one, a 129. Anyways, we're gonna do some stretches right here. Sorry. I've got a bad back, and it's literally just from sitting all the time. I've always kind of had a bad back, like whenever I was in high school. I started noticing stuff once I stopped. Well, not in high school, but outside of high school. My second factory job, I had to stretch, lean in order to be quicker on the line. I'd lean and grab stuff to, get it done quicker. And that's when I realized, hey, my lower back sucks. And I blew it out quite a few times. And now that I'm getting older, it's just a constant nagging pain. So these stretches, before I reach out to a doctor and do all this, I'm gonna try to do it myself. I did it this morning, it felt great. I'll do it again. Just something called a child's pose. There's another one where you lay on your back and you bring your knees to your chest the best you can, and then put your hands all the way back. And hold that a lot. Then there's a thing where you keep your feet on the floor, knees bent on your back, and you do this back and forth. That's a good stretch. There's some more that I can't do while I'm injured, but once I get healed, I'll be able to do those. And the reason why I know I can't do them is because the last time I was down in December for my back, I tried that one stretch, and that got me on the couch for like 4 days. So yeah, that's what's up. Let's go inside. All right, hope it's not too windy. This is where all my money goes. To go inside Walmart to shop. Now I got a couple things I got to get, but the best thing about it is Walmart gives us a card for emergencies and also a card for things related that we need. We just got to turn in a receipt. And that includes cleaning supplies for the truck. So I'm going to go stock up on cleaning supplies, paper towels, shop towels. Definitely can get this if we need it. They also supply at some Walmarts too. I'll give you an idea of what we're getting here when I find it. Okay, we'll grab some shop towels. There's a certain type of vinyl cleaner I'm looking for, because I tried, yeah, that didn't do very well for what I'm looking for. So I need the other brand. We'll try Suds Lab. I think we'll do that because the clean wipes is orange, which is disgusting. Protecting his new car. We'll do that. Love this place. And there's my TV, 75 inches. It's a good price. There's the TV I have right now. We paid $240 something for it. All right, as we make our way back to the beautiful Cascadia. This guy has over 500,000 miles, and it will be ready to be sold or given back to the lease company. I don't know what Walmart does. I highly doubt they buy these trucks and then sell them in auctions. But anyways, check his truck out. No body damage whatsoever. Very nice condition. 500,000. I'll show you a video of it, of the odometer. This is what you'll get if you get a used Walmart truck. A little bit of rust here and there. Again, we're over 500,000 miles. Up front, sorry about the wind noise. You'll have some of the stuff coming off the stickers, but body damage, guys. If you see these in an auction, this is why they go up so high. Very low engine hours, taken very well care of. The interior, nothing's missing, nothing's broke. The only thing you'll have is the holes they drilled for that, for the E-log. Comes with a fridge. You got your TV mount over here. All double bunk. They all come with kingpin release and air ride suspension, sliding fifth wheel, Got air gauge here. This is a 2020, so it doesn't have the you know, the lane keeping crap. They're good trucks. I have no idea what that is on my hand, but that is not blood. I'm kind of worried about what that is. Probably come out of here somehow. Anyways, beautiful truck. It comes with everything. Everything's put together. APU, inverter. I mean, just all you need. Anyways, let's check out what I got. Got to keep the receipt to give it back so they don't charge me for it. Check it out. Paper towels, the shop towels, disinfecting wipes, the cleaning duo we're going to try out on some of these vinyl stains, and then we've got the protectant and the cleaning wipes, and of course my very favorite air freshener, the best ever, the Refresh. It's 2-in-1. We've got both of my favorite car smell, or new car smell, and Cool Breeze. Guys, we're going back to my DC, which is awesome because that might mean I'll go home tonight. They might have me run another store out of there, then I can go home tonight, so we'll see. Again, thanks for watching. It's awesome that you guys subscribe to me. I actually talked to a subscriber on the phone today, checked out a lot of my videos. He does the same thing. He's doing the same thing. He worked somewhere for a company and then went and got his own truck and did that for a little bit. That didn't work out, and then he went back to the same company again and applied for Walmart. Exactly what I did. If you don't know, check out my other videos. I had my own authority. I had my own truck. So I'm where I need to be. You can say whatever you want. Walmart company driver. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, let's see. One more thing I wanted to say. People are emailing me, asking me about the pre-trip. Sorry if this is noisy. I've had that thing since I started trucking. The pre-trip. I can't tell you what's on the pre-trip. I can't give you my copy of the pre-trip. I'm not going to make my own version of the pre-trip and give it to you. The pre-trip is designed, you should already know all this stuff, and it is designed to weed out the people who can't learn, I guess. I mean, in my opinion. The same way with the backing and everything. If you can back a truck safely, you can pass this. If you can follow directions, you can pass this. A lot of salty people, they didn't follow directions, and they didn't pass, and then they're mad about it, and they'll go on YouTube or in my comments and complain. No, it's simply because you didn't pass. You know, like, you didn't listen, you're not a team player, you think their way's stupid. They've been doing it this way for over 50 years, so... Oh, God, that's so annoying. I need to lube that little fan that's in here. But anyways, so don't ask me for the pre-trip. I can help you out and give you some ideas, like what might be on it. Like, you know, it's just like CDL school. Let me just tell you that. If you're interested, look in the link below. It'll tell you how I can help you get on. Or you can just apply yourself. That's fine too. It's easier for you to get on when you have somebody vouching for you. So talk to me first, and I'll let you know if I can vouch for you. Check this out. So this thing's just really loud. The fan is. It's been like that since I bought it day one at a Pilot. I went in there, I bought it with points, and I was very upset at the wait in the line to get this. That I plugged in, it started making that noise. I just left. Yeah, I know. But I had the receipt, so I was just going to take it back later. But it didn't give me any problems other than making a weird noise every now and then. And that's just the fan, like, just kind of not wanting to run. But we're going to go. We got to go, guys. Sorry about this awful view. Things are coming in the future. We can maybe up the production value a little bit, but again, I want to thank you guys for watching. It means a lot to me. I love talking to you guys. Let's hit the road. It's kind of hit and miss taking these loads to the store a day early. Sometimes they don't have anything ready, then it causes an issue. But most of the time they've got an empty trailer or a pallet trailer ready to go in advance. One of the things I could do is ask them, ask the coordinator, hey, do they have any extra trailers, or are they ahead, or whatever. Is that my eyebrows, or is that dirt? Wow, I really need to trim some eyebrows up. Look at that. Oh, my sunglasses, I better bent. Wow. These glasses have been through heck, guys. It's the first time I ever splurged and bought like expensive sunglasses, and they're scratched beyond belief. and I guess they're crooked or something. I don't know. Maybe my hat makes it get that way. I'm between haircuts right now, so I wear the hat a lot. Oh man, I talk too much. I keep checking my mirrors, guys. I'm just sitting here. I'm not driving or nothing. I'm just a habit, always scanning my mirrors. Anyways, yeah, we'll see what they say. If there's extras, we'll take it on up there and grab an empty or whatever, and then park for the night, or we'll just park up there for the night. We'll see what happens. I'll let you know. Well, we're doing great, and I'm making some burritos. We're going to a Sam's Club DC after the store, so that'll be in the morning. Of course, this hits the Weather Channel because it doesn't know how to connect to Bluetooth when you shut the dang truck off. It's so annoying, but whatever. Kenworth, same damn stereo system. Peterbilt, same thing. I don't know about the brand new ones, but International has it going on as far as that goes. That's it though for International. My chimichangas are done. We're gonna hit the road. I'll let you know what happens. Well, here we are, friends. Look at that sunset. We're gonna go up in here and grab an empty. If they have one, I'm kind of early, so let's find out. All right, good news. The newer trailer's empty. Look how beautiful the sky is. Look behind me. Oh, so beautiful. We're gonna have to do a double drop, so we're gonna, that trailer there, we're not gonna take it. We're taking this one. So we're gonna put this one in front of that one and grab the other one, pull it out, put this one there, get out of here. All right, guys, we're gonna charge this trailer with air and get out of here. This is all I'm gonna record. I'll go back on duty, and I've already done the pre-trip. I'm gonna go over here and park. Plenty of room to park over there. Check out that old, is that a LeBaron? Where's your LeBaron, Freddie? I'll get paid for the double drop. I need to do some stretches. My back is messed up. I'm gonna be strengthening the back, and whenever I figure this out, I'm gonna share it with you guys, how to strengthen it. I'm so tired. I'm also tired of being in pain. So this is it. This is kind of like another sneak peek at what it's like to be at Walmart, and just overall just hanging out with y'all, showing y'all what I'm doing. We are charged with air. We're about to go. Oh, I wanted to let you know I got this empty from here. I've still got 2 hours and 7 minutes on my 14, but the Sam's Club DC is nearly an hour away, so I don't want to go up in there, only have an hour left, and then because we can't stay there. I think we can if it's an emergency, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to go there and then scramble to find somewhere to park. That's not what we do here. That's very unsafe. Looking for somewhere to park when you're already super tired, that's not recommended by Walmart. So that's not recommended by common sense, right? Anyways, yeah, I got another load too that comes out of there. That one's due tomorrow by 7:30 p.m. All right, well, I want to say thanks for subscribing. If you are interested in a Walmart, look, Cascadia strikes again. That is so dumb. Why don't you just stay connected like the freaking internationals do? Just stay connected. Jeez Louise. Anyways, please subscribe if you want to know more about Walmart. Hit me up an email. I'll tell you the truth about everything, because I don't want to see anybody waste their time. You know, if something bothers you, the slip seating bothers you, that's just how it is for like 2 to 5 years, or maybe just 1 year. It depends on what you do. If following instructions and doing it the Walmart way and integrity bothers you, don't apply. If you think I'm going to tell you how to do everything, you know, that's not how this works. Like I said earlier, not being mean or anything. I'm just saying, I'm not going to do that because there's a reason why they do it that way. So, more great videos coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. Any ideas, any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, here's my peaceful parking place. Here's my peaceful parking place. All right, let's do a recap. Today I did 477.4 miles. And since you stuck along for this whole ride, I'll show you what I made today and pay. In all honesty, it's delayed, so it takes a little bit to show up on the computer. So I'll be back. All right, this is what I made today. A little bit over 470 miles. I went to 2 stores. I did a double drop and hook, and this doesn't reflect the layover pay of $42, so it'll be over $410.